I'm actually a little behind, but I'm trying not to let this wonderful experience overwhelm me. This is, like I said before, this is my first Dephemerember, so I have gotten behind, but I've also reminded myself it's okay to take it slow. So I am on prompt 10, which is altered pocket and texture fragments. That is a little unclear, but I am going to make it work. So I have these altered, pieces where I've taken cereal boxes and, drink boxes, and I've basically made a background with them and decorate it and then make this a pocket. It looks like this is a little crooked, so we'll need to straighten this out a little bit. And I've ripped off the back of the piece I had, whatever this used to be, this is probably my ginger beer. But I'm using my swap partner's scraps right here. So I'm thinking about using like she made these flowers, like using a flower somehow, and okay, I like that. And putting that there. Tie in the green in the background. She also has this, so I would be using a lot of the scraps. And then these leaves as well. Putting these up here, kind of overlapping, possibly. Let's see how that. All the edges, and I have sewn around this in a crazy stitch. I had the thought that it might look really good if I stamped it. I got them off of Temu, so I have no idea who or what they are. I actually bought a lot off of Temu, so I don't know. Wasn't there 4 of these? Have I lost a leaf? Mayday, mayday. I feel like there is 4. Check the 4. Yep. Okay. That one flying away. There we go. Is that inked? Dang. I must have lost that one early on. Which I don't know when that happened. Looks like it was inked a little, so. Okay. I got my acrylic blocks off of Amazon. didn't glue these down. I just put the glue on top of this bigger piece. And, you know, obviously it's sticking to that, so I'll make sure it doesn't lift up. But I like the fact that this is loose, like it's a movable piece. So this is a pocket. So that was nice and simple and short. I like it. So we have prompt 10, altered pocket and texture fragments completed. Yay! Let me check that off. I'm really looking forward to the bookmark in the black and white, which is 2 prompts down. But the least favorite ephemera and bookbinders art, I have no idea. But I do have pieces of books where I've taken them apart. So hopefully I can do something with that. Excuse the mess on my desk. I think I'm going to do this. Be decisive. Be decisive, Juju. Put it back here. So that I can stick something in here. It can go in this way and it can be sticking out the side. I think that will be cute. Whatever the thing is that I make. The weight on it. I'm gonna leave this just like this overnight so that that can really stick. And then we'll do the next prompt the next day and go from there. Have a great one.